doing a test on some different tire coatings, dressings, and tire shines. So I've got this tire that I cleaned up this morning and taped off a bunch of different sections and applied different products. So this section here, I've got one more coat to apply to it, which is why it's still taped off. But let's see, this section here is Adams vinyl, rubber, and tire, which is this. So this is one coating, and this is two coatings. And then the next section is one of my favorites, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Graphene and Acrylic Tire Shine. This is that. It's one coating. And then this section here is the same thing but two coatings. And then, let's see, you can't tell, but right through this section here, I put on a paint sealant, P&S Speed Maker. No, this is not for tires, but I still wanted to test it. And then this section over here, you can kind of see I used DIY Details quick beads. This is also just like Bead Maker, it's a sealant. This has got graphene in it, graphene and ceramic. Now this is not for tires either, but I applied that there. And then the last two sections here, I use an actual real ceramic coating for tires. This is Carpro Blackout. This is a really expensive product. It claims 6-month durability, which is why I'm testing this stuff to see what it looks like, how long it lasts. This is the Blackout one coating. This is also the Blackout one coating, but this is going to be two coatings. Blackout, two coatings. Blackout, one coating. Turtle Wax, two coatings. I've got them all labeled. So I'm going to set this tire outside for a few months, let the UV rays hit it, let the weather hit it, and just see how long each product lasts and how they look.